Hey, what's up guys, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can speed up your video and audio while maintaining the audio pitch in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can see I have already made a project and imported my video file. I want to increase the speed of my video and want to maintain the audio pitch. So first just speed up the video and see what happened, right? To speed up the video, you need to right click on it and you have to select speed and duration. If you just enable it, you will see an option called clip speed duration. If you want to speed up the video, you can just speed it up just by percentage. I want to speed up by 130%. I'm just writing it and then I need to click OK. And another option to speed up your video or audio is you need to go to your tools section and then you need to go to here and just press and hold this option. You'll see there are several tools here. You need to select rate stretch tool. Just select it, then go to your clip, then click and drag your clip to speed it up. Now if I play it back,
I'm going to show you how you can speed up your video and audio while maintaining the audio pitch. So let's get started.
You can see the video and audio speed have been increased, but the audio pitch is not sounding correct. I want to speed it up, but I want to retain the actual audio pitch of my voice. How we can do that? We can do that just by enabling from here the maintain audio pitch option. If you just enable it and then click OK, then you will see the video is sounding a little bit perfect. Let's watch it. Hey guys, welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can speed up your video and audio while maintaining the audio pitch. So let's get started. The audio pitch is sounding correct, but still it is not perfect to me. The audio seems like a little bit robotic to me. So I will not introduce the maintain audio pitch option from here. So let's disable it again. Just uncheck the maintain audio pitch option. We will apply a new effect called audio pitch shifter and adjust our audio pitch manually, and I believe that will solve the problem. So let's go to effects panel. Here is my effects panel. If you don't see effects panel, then go to window and then enable effects, then search for pitch shifter, then click and drag this pitch shifter on top of your video. Then go to effects control panel. If you don't see effects control panel, again go to window and then enable effects control. Then you will have an option just like that. Now scroll down, you'll see pitch shifter option. Click edit. And now you need to press spacebar to play the video. And while the video is playing, you need to adjust the audio pitch just by dragging this slider. If you just drag it over to the left, then your audio will get thicker. And if you just drag it to the right, then your audio will get thinner. So let's play it back.
Hey guys, welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can speed up your
video and audio while maintaining the audio pitch. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you, it is sounding a little bit correct to me. So if you want to fine tune the audio pitch, then you need to adjust the audio pitch from the send option. So let's drag it to the right. Maybe I will keep it 50. Now play it back. Hey guys, welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can speed up your video and audio while maintaining the audio pitch. So let's get started. It is sounding perfect to me. So the conclusion is, if you want to speed up your video and audio together and want to retain the audio pitch, then please don't enable maintain audio pitch option from the speed and duration. To correct your audio pitch, you need to apply a effect called pitch shifter and then you need to adjust the pitch manually. That will solve the problem. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel and want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.